Danubian Aircraft Company, DAC, Hungary. DAC is located 20 kilometers from the center of Budapest, nearby Tököl Airport, which is the second best equipped airport in Hungary. DAC is a private shareholding company which deals with overhaul, repair and maintenance of different aircraft, including helicopters, fighters and their individual equipment. The main hangar, with 5,000 square meter floor space, is used for disassembly, assembly and for ground test of all types of aircraft listed in DAC's production scale. DAC is capable to overhaul and complete any kind of repair and maintenance work of all modifications of the following types: Mi-25 and Mi-35 gunship helicopter, Mi-17 transport helicopter, Mi-2 utility helicopter, Mi-8 transport and passenger helicopter, L-39 two-seater trainer, MiG-21 fighter. After the preliminary defectation, all aircraft pass the disassembly stage, when all equipment and board systems are removed and sent to the appropriate component overhaul shop. Specialized workshops are equipped for overhaul of the aircraft components. The helicopter transmission system, including rotor hubs, gearboxes, transmission shaft and swash plate, are overhauled and tested in the transmission workshop. Tools and test benches available in DAC's hydraulic shop enables the repair of any kind of hydraulic equipment like actuators, pumps, valves and filters. DAC is also capable to overhaul all the navigation equipment such as gyros, radio compasses, DMEs and conventional artificial horizons. Special workshop is available for overhaul and scheduled maintenance work of the weapon system. The plexiglass workshop deals with the repair and manufacture of plexiglass windows of different shapes and sizes, including the canopies. DAC is also capable to polish the bulletproof windshields of military aircraft. Huge assortment of different rubber products of complicated design is manufactured in the rubber workshop. The high-capacity injection molding machine is adequate for mass production. The control of technical parameters of the product is completed in the special laboratory. The equipment and components repaired by special workshops are installed in the airframe during the assembling, which also includes the preliminary adjustments of all systems. Complete ground test is performed before the test flight. All systems and equipment must be adjusted in accordance with the technical specifications of the manufacturer. After the successful test flight, the aircraft is painted upon the customer's discretion in DAC's painting workshop. DAC took significant part in the development of this ambulance helicopter based on Mi-17. The Experimental Development Department deals with application of new technologies and with development of light helicopters. An upgraded version of Sikorsky S-52 helicopter was recently completed and it started the test flight. TAC is offering complete assembling and repair services for the operators of XZ-90 light helicopter. DAC is also a service center for McDonnell Douglas MD-500 helicopter upon the manufacturer's appointment. Thank you for your time you have spent with DAC. If you are interested in getting more information on our company, please contact our representative or management. We'll be very pleased to fulfill your request.